everyone doing today? Welcome back to another trade recap video. Today is another blessed day. It's just been great. It's been a great day to be trading. And I'm just being ironic. Today was really not the best. I would say, even my strategy, how I trade today wasn't a day to execute. I could classify it as a rush trade. But I mean, what can we say? We just learn from these experiences and we move on. I don't know what else to give you guys, but yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. So starting off, we're gonna go on the daily and see what's going on. These black ones I marked them out as the weekly. Previous weeks low or high. This was previous days highs and lows. This no, I think it was from yesterday. No, I marked them out as take profit. Or well, we're gonna occur today. So we did have one thing I did realize was that I didn't know today was gonna be bearish. That's one thing because I did see it was a retracement day. I knew it was a retracement day, like Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. I didn't know it was retracing into this daily fair value gap. On the weekly, it should look like bullish. Like it should just be a small bullish candle, something like this. That makes sense. I don't know if that does. Hopefully, you guys do get what I'm trying to get to. One thing we do notice today is that price action was bearish the whole day. Throughout the whole day, we were just bearish. So any bullish move you see is gonna be a retracement. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing else. Just a retracement. I did mark out sessions. Did see that price was bullish at 10 o'clock when I usually enter. I didn't want to enter because I know the price action of today was bearish, right? Right? If it was bearish, there's no need for me to go for a bullish setup, if that makes sense. And it did occur to me that I have seen my setup in a bullish structure, but not just in a bearish structure. So I used the opportunity to actually live test it and see where I can gain from it. So I'm going to be touching more on Wednesday and Tuesday to see how my structure looks in a bearish setting. So we did have bearish, like I said. So what else did we see? We also saw that price action was really how do I put it? We didn't make like significant highs, if that makes sense. For instance, let's say we entered this was the forex session. We just entered, came here, tapped this draw on liquidity, and swept it all the way and made new significant highs like yesterday. Oh, sorry, day before yesterday, Monday. Like we just came into the market, found the draw on liquidity, made new highs right here, and we came back again and broke the previous new highs. If that makes sense. Hopefully that does, but market just went on bearish, so I knew that we were just going to be in a bearish structure. But all of this was going to be like a retracement, so I was waiting for a retracement to see whether it could enter and go all the way down, but price action had its own different thing today. So we did see that price was sloppy. I did see around 12 midday that price was sloppy. Usually around sloppy, but around like 3 o'clock. So it was really sloppy. So I didn't mind losing the trade. I should have just exited here. I should have just left the trade when it got here, but I wasn't like fully there. So that's one thing to know. So another thing to know is that price action was sloppy. They don't really discern movement except from beginning of when I started trading. So right here, I could have taken it, but I knew that we're in a bearish structure. So that's definitely breaking one of my rules. And yeah, we did miss this trade. Like just basically what I said. I could have taken it if it was bearish today, but I knew we're bullish. I could have taken it for bullish today, but we weren't. So we were bearish today. Given that I just knew that we were gonna go down, so I did target New York sessions close, and we didn't have any assigned direction for today. I don't know. I don't think there was any significant news that I know of. Except I know Friday we have NFP. Tuesday, today was Wednesday. Didn't have anything like eye-opening or eye-catching. I don't know. I have JPY selected. I still have trading because of tariff news. I don't know much really. Just anticipating what the next day holds. But today was just a bearish move. Took the I didn't run. It wasn't a rush trade, but I mean, let me say the Zao same thing. I had a move I like before I entered. I don't like catching trades because that's formal. Um, Climate looks much better. We did see this strong liquidity from New York, beginning of New York session. This is what I was talking about. We had this bullish broke London session, previous London session highs, and yeah, nothing too much there. Strong liquidity go down. No defined direction really. It was literally just consolidating day, or just that's fine. I mean, there's nothing much else to say, but yeah, that's gonna be all for the video. I want to thank you guys for sticking tuned, and y'all stay safe.